we're going to take everything we've learned about HTML and JavaScript, and we're going to use that to make a simple JavaScript calculator that will prompt us to enter two numbers and display a sum from those numbers. So you will need a JavaScript file, which will be empty, an HTML file with all this basic code here, and you're going to need to remember to link your JavaScript to your HTML file by adding this script right here. So to start with, since we're making a JavaScript calculator, let's go ahead and give a title, H1 JavaScript Calculator, and then close the H1 element. And now that's going to just give us a title on the web page. We're going to need another element that will display the output. So I'm going to create a paragraph. The sum of the two numbers is, and we're going to do something interesting. We're going to actually add a span tag inside of the paragraph tag. So I'm going to type span ID equals result. This will let us grab this in the JavaScript later. And then I'm going to close the span tag without typing anything in the middle, and then close the paragraph tag. So then what that's going to do is this paragraph is going to display the words, the sum of the two numbers is, and then once we actually have a result, we're going to insert that result in here as the inner HTML for this span tag here. So now let's go to the HTML and let's get the two numbers. To get a number typed in by the user, we use the prompt function. So that would be var num1 equals prompt. So prompt is a function that will display a pop-up window on your screen with a text box where you can type in anything you want, and that output, that text, is going to be saved into the num1 variable. But let's make it a little bit more clear what we want. Let's add some instructions. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to type I'll type enter the first number, like that, and I'm going to save, and this time I'm going to click cancel, then refresh, and now I get some instructions. Enter the first number. So let's do the same for the second number. Var num2 equals prompt, enter the second number, and now we can add two different numbers together. Var sum equals num1 plus num2. Now this sum is useless to us unless we can then render it on the HTML, but that's the point of the span tag. So let's go ahead and grab that real quick, that span tag. Var output equals document.get element by ID, and then our ID was result. So this is a variable that represents that span tag, and then we can type output.inner HTML equals sum, so we can actually display the result. So let's refresh the web page. I'm going to enter a 1 for the first number, 2 for the second, and we have a bug. It displays 12 instead. So what happened here? Well, the error is actually pretty simple. The prompt function gives whatever you type in as a word, or a string is the technical term. So I got the word, or the string 1, and then I got the string 2. And when you add two strings together, all you do is you put them together like this. So that's because num1 and num2 are words right now. We need to make sure these are actual numbers so that the plus sign means add them together instead of just put the digits together. This is really easy. We're just going to use the number function to convert these back into numbers and not strings. So I'm going to type number and then wrap the parentheses around num1. I'm going to type number here as well and wrap the parentheses around num2. So what that does is that takes the words that num1 and num2 are and just converts them back into numbers. And with two numbers, we can perform a real addition. So now refresh the page and our calculator will be working. You enter 1 for the first number, 2 for the second, and we get the correct output. The sum of the two numbers is 3. And congratulations, you've just made a basic JavaScript calculator, and you can do the same with division, multiplication, and subtraction. So my challenge for you is to do the same thing with those other operators. Subtraction would be the minus sign, division would be this slash, and multiplication would be the star. Best of luck as you work on this challenge.